Yes, so I was on my way to the movies with my sisters, and I was going down 99, and a company truck hit me on my left side and started me in a direction towards a pole. I had to turn away from the pole to get away from, hitting it, and then I ended up turning over to the emergency lane and pulled over. Um, it was very traumatic, like a lot of emotion was going on. My sisters were screaming. It was very, very scary. I feel like I needed an attorney because the guy who hit me wasn't willing to communicate properly. He was kind of like, it was your fault. And I knew, it was in the accident, the damages showed that it was his fault. There was no way that I could have hit him. So with that, and also the pain that I experienced, as well as my sister's pain, I knew I needed an attorney to be able to cover those costs for the medical bills. I learned about Amaro Law Firm because I was calling around to a lot of different law firms, and I just felt like the Amaro Law Firm was most welcoming and the most concerned about my case. They wanted to know all the information in detail, and they wanted to help me with each individual circumstance. So they wanted to make sure I had a chiropractor to go to. They wanted to make sure that I had appointments set up in advance, and they were very consistent. So that's why I wanted to work with them. So I was very pleased with the outcome with my case. It did take some time, but I was very patient because it took a while for me to recover. I did have to go through a lot of appointments, but Amaro Law Firm was very consistent with keeping up with the appointments and scheduling me out. And I was very pleased with how they were consistent. And I'm very happy with the overall outcome. It was great. My experience with the Amaro Law Firm was great because they were very kind, very friendly, welcoming, consistent, and they helped me to get a good recovery. Yes, I actually just recently recommended to one of my family members because I was very pleased with my outcome, and I want for them to be able to get the same outcome as well with their case.